Today topic is very simple and very small topic. So this is if you have already have a project in your local machine, you want to transfer it to server. And how can you do it through FTP? And it may be other question you have if you want to create a file or folder in server directly through FTP. How can you do it? So we will show you here how to achieve how you achieve this task. Okay. सो इसमें मुझे आज का टॉपिक ये है टुडे टॉपिक जो है उसमें जब आप ऑलरेडी प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट करके रखे हैं लोकल मशीन में आप उसको सर्वर में ट्रांसफ़र करना चाहते हो और ये भी आ सकता है आप क्या करना चाहते हो आप सर्वर में एक नया फाइल और फोल्डर क्रिएट करना चाहते हो डायरेक्टली सर्वर में करना चाहते हो इसे हम करेंगे इसमें हम फाइलजिला यूज़ करेंगे और एफटीपी यूज़ करेंगे शायद आप लोग FileZilla का नाम सुना होगा FileZilla is a very it's a free software through FTP you can use FileZilla to transfer our file from local machine to server machine इसमें थोड़ा हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स रहेगा क्योंकि जो कुछ टर्म्स है वो इंग्लिश में बोलना पड़ेगा तो इसलिए हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स रहेगा तो इसमें कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या लगेगा फर्स्ट आप लोग का तो लैपटॉप और पीसी में आप you have ready and you have stable internet connection and secondly I hope you have already downloaded the FileZilla from FileZilla project.org. I have given this link also you can download but make sure you are downloading the FileZilla client option not the server because you are working with client only not the server section. Server if you want to work in the server you need to go to the cpanel okay. You don't need the file FTP. I think you I hope you can understand okay then thirdly we are going to discuss about discuss about how we can do that कैसे FTP थ्रू हम लोग लोकल मशीन से फाइल अपलोड कर सकते हैं सर्वर में suppose you have already FTP details means when you are buying a like server and domain you after after your domain is hosted in server you can create a FTP in cPanel. This is the part you can learn in another sections but I hope you have already FTP details आप लोग के पास FTP details है तो आप FTP details क्योंकि FTP details मेरे को FileZilla में ज़रूरत पड़ेगा okay then I'm coming to the topic main topic and I'm showing you a browser here you can see you can download the FileZilla over here not the server only the FileZilla okay ये हम तरह से बोल चुके हैं so what I am going to do now I have already installed FileZilla so I am clicking on the FileZilla icon you can see this type of software will open for you and this looking like a new version is here I am not downloading again the new version I'm just closing it okay then आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा you go to the file and site manager okay now you can see there are so many FTP already created I have created but you have to create a new site so I click on new site and you can give a name like test test server like that whatever name you want you can give here and you have already FTP details you just copy this FTP details and what you need to do you need to fill this form okay and I'm just putting it over here for the further reference and I am copying this IP address this is the IP address you need to put in fourth section okay so you are getting my point and from the encryption section. And here the second part is the port. You can just write 21. This is the first one. Okay. And the protocol section, you just create FTP, because through FileZilla we can use SFTP and other protocols also. But currently we are using the FTP file transfer protocol. Again, you come to the encryption section and you can just select only use plain FTP. Okay, and the user. This is the username. You can put over here. Yeah, that is the user section. And this is the password. You just copy it and paste it. Okay, just I'm going to connect this. What you can see now, after connecting, now this FTP is connected to the server. So how can you know? You can go to this section here. It's a public HTML. Click on this. This folder is empty now. Okay. So first of all, we will upload a file from local server, and secondly, we will create a new file over here. Suppose you have a local file, like in the D drive, I have a folder. This is foundation page. Okay. So you want to upload all files to the server. You just select all and you can upload it. Okay. Just say it's a big file. It will take some time. So I am taking a small file, because I'm just taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files. Okay, then you upload it. Okay, just right click and you can upload it. Okay, so now it is uploaded, and this is a dummy file, so that's why we'll not get anything in our uh, domain, because yeah, it's showing 40. Okay, now what I need to do, I'm just now upload सीखें कैसे अपलोड करते हैं फोल्डर से ऐसे, लेकिन हम ये क्या करना है, उसको डिलीट करना है, तो हम इसको डिलीट करते हैं. Now what I'll do, I'll create a new file. Okay, create a new file. Suppose index dot. Okay, I've created a file. Now this file is blank. You can see this. This file is blank. Then you can right click and view edit. Okay, let's open in Sublime Text. You If you have already any editor in Sublime Text, whatever the editor, NetBeans, whatever the editor you have linked to the FileZilla, you will open this with this editor. Okay. Now there is blank, so I am writing something over here to show you how it is showing in like in your server domain. Okay. Now you can write here and like that. Suppose PHP function PHP input. Okay. If you write this now, and then you need to save it, and you come to the FileZilla and you save. Now transfer file. You can see. Now I am just opening this domain. You can see this is a PHP info is a function of PHP. It will show what are the PHP versions you are using, so on and so forth. Okay. So in that way, you can create a file in server directly through FTP, and you can create a folder also, like we are creating test folder. Create a test folder. See, the folder is already created, and you want to create anything, any file over here, you can create it. So it's a very simple. Any questions regarding that you can ask, and that's all about the uh, how to upload your file from local machine to server to FTP, and how to create a new file in your server through FTP or in your folder through FTP. Okay, thank you.